Come test drive 2021 Audi Q8. The Audi Q8 was built to stand out in a crowd, and it sure does. An aesthetically pleasing exterior, plenty of bells and whistles on the interior, and performance that makes you smile. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, panoramic roof, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, daytime running lights, rain-sensing wipers, fog lamps. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.